What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna play we're gonna play Geometry Dash over there. Play Stereo Magnus over there. We're jumping, just tapping it so it can jump. I don't know if you saw my last video, but I posted a video, and it's a cool stuff video. It's really cool because I got a magic coloring book with a vanishing coin trick, and that's really cool. We'll just play Geometry Dash. Sometimes I lose on it, but that's okay. We have unlimited. I know we have unlimited attempts. So in attempt 6 to beat this one. Here. Sometimes I get a little bored with this game, so I wish to go to Subway Surfer. Yeah, so let's go to Subway Surfer. And let's get to it. So I'm gonna exit out of this game. Yes. To make it rotate over there. Gonna make it rotate like that. Gonna put it right over there. With Subway Surfer. And maybe some piano tiles. So we're in a world tour of Mexico Subway Surfer. I didn't upgrade it. Yeah, let's just close up. Earn us awards to get more keys. Well, we have a player tip right here. He always hopes in the beginning of the game, there's a player tip or some kind of note there. There's a tip there to get more like to win. Okay? Subway Surfer is actually unbeatable, so you can't beat it. It's unstoppable. Here. And in my other game, I played another game last time, and they said if you go on train's roof, on top of a train, if you go on top of a train, you will get better scores. Like you could survive. Oh God. So, in other ones, I guess go on the sides and not in the middle, because you would get to win. You would win. Go on the sides, you would win. Take the doors, take your getting a little bit faster. That means I'm almost like a high score, but I'm not. I got 206 points, and my high score is 10,647, and that's my high score. And it's telling you how many times, how many miles I'm gonna need to do it. So I went to 10 miles, and for, I don't know, but I know I need my 9 miles and 700 plus feet. So I only need about 400 feet, 9 miles. So we lost. Then need to use a key. So we want to continue our adventure. Did you know that if you get a lot of magnets, if you use a lot of magnets, you would actually get lots of coins if you use a lot of magnets. If you get a lot of magnets, that's when, oh god, so we lost, we hit a train, still got some things, mystery box, so we got 276 coins, 276 coins. If you heard me, like, I'm a little bit weird, my voice is a little bit weird, that's because that's my morning voice. It's my morning voice. When I woke up, I say good morning in this voice. Yeah, I get quarter, but I did it, so it's okay. Yeah. Also, we lost. So we're gonna go out of this game. No. Nothing. So that's really it. So thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, share notifications, and don't forget to remember yourself. Peace. And